Hello, welcome to the gold points demonstration for my project for CS61B. Basically, how you play our game is you first start the game, press N, type in some random seed, and you see that a world has been generated, which you, this little triangle guy, tries to navigate around. However, similarly, a parallel world is also generated at the same time, where there is another little triangle guy. And the way you win the game is you try to get them to overlap on the same square. For example, if this triangle and this triangle are to both exist in, let's say, this one spot at the same time, then you win the game. You can control the triangle with WASD. So this is W, A, S is down, D is to the right. By pressing K, you can swap between the two generated worlds. The colors, is to help you distinguish from which one is which. And in the parallel world, the kind of green tiles with pink wall squares, pressing W actually moves the character down. For example, I'm going to start pressing W right now. Pressing S moves the character up. Pressing A moves the character to the right, and pressing D moves the character to the left. The exact opposite control scheme of W, A, S, and D for the regular triangle. And so, what basically you try to do is taking advantage of the reverse control scheme, get the little triangles to match up. So right now I'm going to try and maneuver this guy upwards. So I'm going to press the S key a couple of times. And as you can see, the initial white triangle is still stuck facing down, trying to walk downwards, while this black triangle is going upwards. Now that the black triangle has reached a point which it can maneuver through a hallway into what I think is the same room as the white triangle, I'm going to press D a couple of times to get them in the same room. Pressing D moved the white triangle to the right, pressing D moved the black triangle to the left, and now they're in the same column. Now I realize that they're just one off from each other, so I'm going to try to remedy that and make them so that they can overlap. So right now, the two triangles are one square away from each other. And so when they overlap, you win the game. That's the way you play the game. However, an additional feature you can have available to you to make the process easier is when you face a wall, such as right now with my white triangle, by pressing the J key, I can dig hallways for it to travel down, which gives it more flexibility and ways to move to take advantage of the fact that the control schemes are the opposite. For example, right now, when the black triangle is stuck in the top right corner, I can freely dig to the right or to the left with the white triangle avatar, while this guy is still stuck in the top right corner. And taking advantage of these hallways, it might make it easier for you to solve the situations with maybe like a one-off between the two triangles. Alright, cool. So thank you very much for looking at my gold points demonstration. I hope it was interesting, and I hope you have a fun time if you choose to play the game as well. Thank you.